Hi everybody, it's Jennifer. I just stocked up on some new to-go containers. Got these for the holidays that are coming up. These are great for Thanksgiving leftovers, Christmas leftovers, all the things. Also love these for Christmas cookies. I love that these nest. That is really great. So these are really nice to store because they don't take up a lot of space, and the lids nest as well too. You can reuse these. I use these several times, but what I love about these is that you can just give these to people and you don't have to worry about getting them back. And then also, if you're going to an event and you need to take storage containers, these are so much easier to just carry, and they are the perfect size. These also stack really nicely. Let me show you that before we go here. So this is great if you meal prep. The bottom has this little like divot, and then the top has the part that comes up. So then those stay on there and they're not going to fall off as easily in your fridge. So these are a great deal. Get them for your next party. Be the hero so everyone can take leftovers.